What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is finally the day where we get rid of this door, swap it out with the other one, and this is mostly the major damage, so the car's actually gonna look decently almost done. That sounds weird. Decently almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and take the inside door panel apart because this one has comfort. God, there's a bug. So it's gonna be a little bit of work because I have to take this car apart and the whole wiring from the inside, because this one has comfort access and the one I bought, the door I bought, doesn't have comfort access. So I'm gonna have to swap some things out, but we should be able to do it just fine. And then we'll put everything back together, the door paneling. Hopefully everything goes smooth. And I also ordered some mirrors. I don't know if you guys can see, but this one's completely shattered. So I was looking for a good price, and the only ones that had a good price, they were like tinted a little bit. So I went ahead and just ordered 2. And these doors are also freaking heavy. I had to carry the other one, and it's hard because you can't get grip anywhere. So I'm probably gonna call somebody to help me, but let's go ahead and just start stripping this door down from the inside. All right, so for the most part, everything here is just clipped on, so I'm probably gonna go get like a pry tool or something and start taking everything off. Alright guys, so I got the whole door panel off. Honestly, it didn't take that long. You just got to be patient with all these little cords and clips so you don't break them because they're super fragile. But yeah, I got the door panel right there. I'm gonna go grab the other door, do the same thing to the other one. And hopefully it's not too hard to switch all the... Since this one's comfort access, I hope there's not too much cords and electrical stuff I have to switch out, but yeah, we'll see. So I brought the door over here. Let's start taking this door panel apart and see what's different and what's not. Alright guys, so happy to say everything looks identical to this door on the inside. I'm hoping all I have to do is just change the handles and that's it for the whole comfort access thing. Because from the inside, there's no extra cords or wires on this one than there is on this. So let's go ahead and start taking this handle off and the other one. And then we'll go from there, see what's happening. I got the door handle off this door. As you can see, it is connected. Pretty sure this is what the comfort access is right here. Sadly, I took it off this one and it doesn't have the whole wiring set, so I don't know. Hopefully it's not too hard to I'm probably gonna take this whole thing off and see where the wire goes and see if I can get the wire out. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do all that right now. Literally hours later, I got the whole wiring harness apart. It took forever, these stupid actuators, and there's like no room to work here, but I don't know, we finally got it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and unscrew the door, get it off, and get this other one on, and hopefully this goes a lot more smooth. This is freaking annoying, but it's whatever. Alright guys, finally got the freaking door off. Got the whole wiring harness right here. Now let's start taking the wiring harness off this one and then get the door on. So this is that. Wiring harness is off. Now let's install the door, and then we'll put all the wiring back on. Alright, so the door is bolted on. I still have to put this screw, but I'm not going to put this on yet because I need to push this all the way back. This holds the door from swinging too far open. Still have to hook up the whole harness, so I'm going to hook this up and then I'll bolt that on. Alright guys, so it freaking got dark. So I came to my friend's shop because I have to do my valve cover gasket, which is actually going to be in the next video. But I literally, you guys don't understand how much trouble I've had with this door. Oh my god, finally it opens very smooth now. This thing would have not opened smooth at all. It just literally fall out every time I pull on it. I don't know why, but yeah, I zip tied all the harness, which holds up really good actually, way better than those stupid little plastic clips that rip as soon as you take them out. I don't know, maybe other people are better at taking them out, but I am not gentle. I suck at that, and I'm not patient, so I end up ripping everything. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the, what is it? Where the freak is it? I'm gonna go ahead and put this, the sticky stuff, you know? I'm gonna put that back on there, put my door panel. Hopefully everything works perfect. And yeah, let's see. Alright guys, I got the whole door panel back on. I'm gonna wait to put the trim on because I forgot a couple screws at home, so I don't want to just put it on like that. I'll just wait till I get back home. And now we're gonna go ahead and change glass. You can see, shattered pretty bad. And I've got package right here actually. These should be the mirrors. Let's go ahead and open this up. should both be in here. Here it is. I ordered the tinted blue ones. They look really sleek. So let's go ahead and install these on both sides because I ordered two. So. Alrighty guys, finally finished the door. Got the brand new glass as well, tinted blue. This took way longer than I thought. I was not expecting for it to take this long. But right now we are changing the valve cover gasket because when I got the car there was oil all over the side of it and it was dripping on the cuts and it was steaming and stuff, but I'm not surprised. I was gonna change that anyways, but yeah. The next parts, I'm just waiting for the side skirt to come in, which will probably be in the next couple videos. And this car should be complete almost as for now, as stock, without modifications and stuff. But obviously, you already know we're gonna do some stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, like, comment your thoughts on this build, what I should do to it, and turn your post notifications on so you guys get an alert when I post. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.